Question number 3, the diameter of metallic wire or the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram, okay, per centimeter cube? Just keep it in that form, okay, no need to change, okay, Suhid. So diameter of metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter. So one thing, students, what will be the radius? What will be the radius? That is 4.2 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter diameter. So what will be the radius? We know that diameter equal to radius equal to diameter by 2. So that is 2.1 centimeter. 2.1 centimeter. Okay. Now metallic ball. First I will discuss on the next part. First find out the volume. Okay, 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Okay, so Uttam Sharma, Uttam will answer what is the density. Okay, so if I multiply it you will get that is 38.80 centimeter cube. Okay. Now students, Uttam, what is the definition of density? Only Uttam will answer. What is the definition of density? Quickly answer, otherwise if you don't know the density formula, what is the definition, you cannot do the sum. So tell me, what is density? Only Uttam will answer it. Okay, stop answering. Density equal to mass per volume. Okay, what is the SI unit of density? Uttam, what is the SI unit of density? Stop typing. Who are typing? Stop typing, everyone. Stop, Riddhita and Shubham. Stop typing. What I am saying, stop typing. What is the SI unit of density? Uttam Sharma. Okay. Gram per centimeter cube, that is unit of SI unit. Anyone else? Anyone else? Kilogram meter cube or kilogram per meter cube? Riddhita, Suhit, Vivek, those who are present, tell me what is the SI unit of density? Kilogram per meter cube. Yes. Uttam, this is not true. Kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Now students, so we know that density equal to from physics concept we can. So density is given. Density is what given? Density is 8.9. Density equal to 8.9 and mass we don't know the mass. So mass is unknown and volume, what have we get? What have get? That is 38.80. Just cross multiplication. A by B equal to C by D, A into D, B into C. Okay? Just cross multiplication, just cross multiplication. Okay? Cross multiplication means that mass will be 38.80 into 8.9. 8.9. Okay? Got it? So you will get that answer. So your answer will be 345.3912. 3912. 12 gram. 345.312. I am just avoiding the calculation because of time. I am avoiding this calculation for time. Okay. I hope you will honestly do it at your home. Okay. So 345 in. So that is the mass. Okay. Using density formula, I have reduced it. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is very much important question. Question number 4 is very much important question. Okay, and already at the end of the class. Question number 4. The diameter of moon and approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Okay, what fraction of volume of earth is volume of moon? It's very good. Okay, first of all, diameter of earth I am taking diameter of earth is equal to d. So what will be the diameter of moon? Tell me quickly. In the question it is given 1/4. 1/4 means divided by 4. If the diameter of earth is d, moon is d by 4. Got it everyone? Yes, that is d by 4. Okay, that is diameter. Radius of the earth, that is d by 2. Radius of moon, tell me in the chat box quickly. Radius of moon, tell me in the chat box quickly. Oddness d by 8. Okay. So it is d by 4 by 2, that is d by 8. Okay. D by 4 by 2, diameter by 2, that is the now what will be the ratio? What will be the ratio? That is, I am writing here volume of moon earth equal to volume of moon 4/3 pi r cube. R means what is the radius of moon? Tell me in the chat box quickly. What is the radius of moon? What is the radius of moon, everyone? Quickly. D by 8. So that will be d by 8 cube. And volume of earth. What is the volume of earth? What is the radius? Radius d by 2. So d by 2 whole cube. It's very easy calculation, students. 4/3 pi remove. D cube by 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8. And d cube by that 2 will move on the denominator. That 2 will move on the numerator. So 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is also 8. So d cube remove, 8 remove, so 1 by 64. So ratio of volume of moon and volume of earth equal to 1:64. If you have any problem, tell me quickly, otherwise I will end the class. Next day I will start from the sum. Okay, and question number 5 is your homework. Question number 5 I already will solve in the class. Tomorrow you will have the class, I think. Then I will start from question number 6. Okay, any problem, anyone? Any problem, anyone? No problem. Okay, now just I am taking your attendance. Wait. Okay, you don't have any problem regarding this sum set. Suhit? Wait, beta, wait.